Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add mixed numbers. Okay, so here we have 2 and a third plus 3 and 5/9. Okay, all you do, watch how easy this is, you add the whole numbers first. So there's 5. I'm not going to put it as the answer just yet, I'm going to leave it at the side. Okay, I'm going to leave it at the side because if when I add the fractions together, it makes more than a whole one, I will need to add it onto this. Okay? So now I need to convert these two fractions. So I have 1/3 and I have 5/9. So just like we do when we add fractions together, we must convert them so they have the same denominator. So at the minute I have 3 and I have 9. I need to change them so they are both the same. Now I've realized that 3 is in the 9 times table, so I don't think I need to change this fraction. So this denominator has a 3, so I'm going to do the 3 times table. 3, 6, 9. So that was 1, 2, 3. It was the third number, so I'm going to multiply both of these numbers by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Hopefully you should understand how to do this already because you will have learnt it in class. So now I have 3/9 add 5/9. And because they both have the same denominator, I can now add them together. So 3 add 5 makes 8. So I have my numerator. And the denominators we never add, we just keep it the same. So 8/9. So because this fraction didn't go over one whole one, I can write it as the answer, and I can take this 5 from the beginning. And there I have the final answer.